As a product seller, here are 5 reasons why you should be using Pinterest. Number 1, high user engagement. So people on Pinterest spend about an average of 14.2 minutes on the platform per session. This might not seem like much, but people on Pinterest are not there to socialize. They're there because they're looking for something on a search engine. Number 2, Pinterest is a visual platform, as we might already know, so it's a perfect place to actually showcase your products being used. Number 3, if you are running ads, it's really great because you can be very niche with who you are targeting. So based on their interests, their demographics, things like that, you can actually, and even keywords, you can actually target certain people based on those things. Number 4, if you do decide to run ads, they are cost effective and usually cheaper than ads on other platforms, which is really great if you're a small business because, you don't got all that money to spend just yet, but you're getting it. And number 5, which is my favorite, is that Pinterest has such great longevity because of the fact that it is a search engine. So when people go there, they're going to find your content, your products based on search results. You could have posted this pin 6 months ago, a year ago, and it's still a product that you have, so you still want people finding it, and this is a great place to use it. So that's why Pinterest should definitely be something that you are thinking about using as a product seller. If you have any questions, let me know. I am Presh Rogers, and I am a Pinterest marketing expert for online entrepreneurs like you. Bye.